Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create a Genshin Impact account using a mobile device. So you want to create a new Genshin Impact account, but you want to create your account using a mobile device, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to create a Genshin Impact account using a mobile device in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So, the first thing you want to do in order to create a Genshin Impact account using a mobile device is open a browser and go to genshin.mihoyo.com. Once you go to genshin.mihoyo.com, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here on the top right corner, you'll see an option labeled as official site. Tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, you'll be redirected to a new page and you'll see an interface like this. Now here, to create a new Genshin Impact account, what you need to do is tap on the three bars on the top right corner. Then from the list, go to login. Once you tap on the login option, you land on an interface like this. Now this is the login interface of your Mihoyo account. So here on the bottom right corner, you'll see an option labeled as register now. So to create a new Genshin Impact account, tap on that option. Then once you tap on that option, you land on an interface like this. Now this is an e-form in order to create a new Genshin Impact or a Mihoyo account. And here you also have the option to log in using a Google account, your Apple ID, your Facebook account or your Twitter account. But if you want to create your independent Mihoyo or Genshin Impact account, so what you need to do is enter some credentials in order to create an account, like your email address. Then Mihoyo will send an email verification code to your email address and you'll need to enter that as well. So make sure you enter an email address that you have access to. So go ahead and enter that email address. Then once you enter your email address, tap on the send code option here. Then once you tap on the send code button, Mihoyo will send the email verification code to the email address that you have entered. So now what you need to do is go to that email address. Then once you go to that email address, you'll receive an email labeled as no reply @mihoyoemail.com. Then here you have the email verification code, so copy that code. Now enter the verification code here. So once you enter a verification code, create a password for your account, then confirm the password. Once you create and confirm the password, tap on the register button. So once you tap on the register button, you'll successfully create a new Genshin Impact account using a mobile device. So those are the simple steps in order to create a Genshin Impact account using a mobile device. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.